In this lesson, we are going to explore a critical question. Why should you choose eBay for your dropshipping business? By the end of this video, you'll understand the unique advantages that eBay offers, how it compares to other platforms, and why it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced sellers. Let's get started. So let's get started by eBay's massive customer base. One of the biggest reasons to dropship on eBay is its massive customer base. eBay has over 135 million active buyers worldwide over multiple niches and whatnot. So these buyers are actively searching for products every single day. Unlike other platforms where you need to drive the traffic, you need to drive people to your store and make people trust your own store. So eBay brings the traffic for you. That's why they take a percentage with you. So as I said, for example, if you list a product like a wireless keyboard, eBay's search algorithm can help your listing appear in front of thousands of potential buyers who are already searching for that specific item. This built-in audience is a huge advantage, especially when you are just starting out and don't have a large marketing budget. Because if you are going to do your own store, then you have to be spending a lot of money on Facebook ads, on TikTok ads, and maybe the creatives are not that good, or you wouldn't even know until you test the creatives and find out that you've spent already a lot of money on that marketing. So eBay takes this out of the equation, but rather replaces it with doing SEO and doing great product research and whatnot, and making sure that the keywords are on the right spot and whatnot. So yeah. The second thing is low barrier to entry. As I mentioned previously, since eBay strips a lot of those things where instead of doing Facebook marketing plays, you just have to focus on working on the keywords that is great for you. And that's another reason that eBay is great for dropshipping, is that the low barrier for entry makes it great for you. Unlike platforms like Shopify, where you need to build the website, drive the traffic, through paid ads, or maybe ranking on Google, which is another whole story. eBay provides a ready-made marketplace. You don't need to worry about web design, hosting, SEO, domain name, and so on. So yeah, here's a realistic example that I would like to say. Let's say you want to start a Shopify store. You need to pay for the domain name. That's already maybe 10 to 20 to 30 bucks that you have to pay. Potentially hundreds of dollars in ads just to get your first sale. On eBay, you can list your first products for free, start selling almost immediately, plus eBay fees are transparent and clear, and you only apply when you make a sale, so you don't have to pay anything upfront, and that's just a little bit of percentage that's taken from your sale. And let's not even mention that in Shopify that you have to pay for Shopify itself, and that's a monthly subscription by itself. So yeah, for you, there's no upfront financial risk. Focus on the keyword, financial risk. And if that didn't work, simply you list another product, like Shopify, where you have to test the creative, change the website, the funnel, and everything else we have just mentioned. So yeah, keep that in mind. The second thing is trust and credibility. eBay has been around since 1995. I mean, can you imagine that? It is a very old website. It's even older than me. So it has built a reputation as a trusted platform for buyers and sellers alike. This trust is a huge advantage for new sellers like you. When you list a product on eBay, buyers feel confident making a purchase because of eBay's protection policies and the ability to see seller ratings and reviews. So yeah, for instance, if you're dropshipping a product like a phone case, buyers are more likely to purchase from your eBay store rather than an unknown website because they trust eBay's platform, obviously. This credibility can help you build your own reputation as a seller much faster than starting from scratch on a standalone website. So yeah, think of it as a mall shopping center. The store in that mall is your own store. People will come and trust you more because you are located inside of the mall rather than a weird alley. So yeah. Moving on to eBay Managed Payment System. eBay's managed payment system is another reason to choose this platform for dropshipping. With managed payments, eBay handles all aspects of the payment process, including processing fees, refunds, payouts, and so on. So even starting out, making sure that you have a payment processing is a lot of pain, especially if you don't live in the US and those countries that have Stripe very accessible. So yeah, keep that in mind. This simplifies your operations and ensures you get paid quickly and securely and without any legal trouble. Here's how it works. Simply, when a customer buys a product from your store, eBay collects the payment and deducts its fees. The remaining balance is then deposited directly into your bank account. This eliminates the need for a separate PayPal account and reduces the risk of payment holds and so on, even your account getting suspended. So this can be a common issue for new sellers or other platforms, or even if you're trying to do your own platform, especially if, as I said, you don't live in countries where Stripe is very accessible and you can get it very easily and so on. The next point is that eBay offers incredible flexibility and scalability for dropshippers. Whether you're selling 10 products or 10,000 products, eBay's platform can handle that volume. You can start small, test different products, and scale up as you find winning items. For example, let's say you start by listing 10 products in the home decor niche. After a few weeks, you notice that one product, a set of LED string lights, is selling very well. You can then focus on scaling that product by optimizing your listing, increasing your stock, and even expanding to other niches. eBay's platform makes it easy to grow your business at your own pace. We rely on the platform itself, and this is an important one to pay attention with. You are under the mercy of eBay, but that's actually not as bad as it sounds. If you respect the rules, the TOS, terms of services, provide great customer support, you don't have to worry about anything. Always think of the customer and you will be in safe hands. That's 100%. No closed stores, no suspended accounts, simple as that. So yeah, by understanding these challenges and planning for them, you can set yourself for success with eBay. eBay's massive customer base gives you access to millions of active buyers. The low barrier to entry makes it easy and affordable to get started. eBay's trust and credibility help you build your reputation as a seller, and the managed payments makes your life pretty much easier. eBay's flexible and scalability allow you to grow your business at your own pace. Now that you know why eBay is a great platform for dropshipping, you are ready to take the next step. In the following lesson, we will walk you through the process of setting up your eBay account and configuring your payments options. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.